The American planemaker Boeing has received $9.60 and $8.5 million contract modifications for Eagle Passive, Active Warning and Survivability System, EPAWSS, according to the U.S. Department of Defense contract announcements. The deal, which was a modification to a previous contract, exercises an option for engineering, manufacturing, and development, and initial operational, testing, and evaluation of EPAWSS. This contract modification provides for the procurement of 2 additional Development Group B shipsets. Work will be performed in St. Louis, Missouri, and is expected to be completed October 22, 2022. Also, Boeing Co., St. Louis, Missouri, has been awarded a $8.5 million firm modification to contract FA863421C2702 for the F-15 Eagle EPAWSS low-rate initial production. This modification provides EPAWSS Lot 1 initial spares hardware for the F-15E aircraft. The EPAWSS is an integrated digital avionics system designed to protect the F-15 Eagle fighter jet against enemy air defense systems. The new F-15's digital avionics system takes advantage of today's computing, receiver and transmitter technologies to provide a quicker, smarter response to the threats and better actionable information to the pilot. The EPAWSS is designed to provide indication, type and position of ground-based RF threats as well as bearing of airborne threats with the situational awareness needed to avoid, engage or negate the threat. The EPAWSS defends against RF and IR threat systems detecting or acquiring accurate targeting information prior to threat engagement, thus complicating and/or negating an enemy threat targeting solution. The system counters threats through its suite of components with electro-optical and RF techniques.